Hello everyone, in today's video we will explore best 10 Revit shortcuts that save you hours. The first one, HH, hides an element. To reset this hidden element, HR. Second, WT, here are 3 opened views. To view them side by side, type WT. To bring it back to normal, TW. The reverse. Shortcut 3, BX, section box. To create a section box around a selected element. Shortcut 4, VV, visibility graphics, to control the appearance of the current view. CS, create similar. DI, dimension. AL, align. MA, match property. TR, trim extend corner. Let's say this was here. TR, trim and extend corner here. MV, move. CO, copy.